Mapache Tacos.
Mapache Tacos partnered with Concession Nation in 2021 to build a stellar 8x20 taco truck. If you don't like tacos, I'm not your type. It's equipped with plenty of refrigeration, work table, and shelving space. There's a steam table and sandwich prep station. Under the 8-foot hood, there's a Euro machine, an 18-inch broiler, a 36-inch griddle, and a 2-burners hot plate. There's even a bathroom. Talk about convenient.
I wonder if there's a taco out there thinking of me too.
The exterior has an eye-catching custom graphic design that was installed with a full wrap on specialty quality vinyl for the exterior of the concession trailer.
My head says gym, but my heart says tacos.
Are you excited yet? Then call Concession Nation today to build the food truck or food trailer of your dreams.